Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to use our Vergo project expense tracker. To begin with, let's start on the expense tracker budget tab. In this tab, you can input the project information up here. You can put the project name, project location, and you can set the budget for the project here. Now under month, this is a drop-down menu where you could choose from each month to see what the expenses are for that month. So let's choose February and we'll update the information for that. Now, under project summary, you'll be able to see the details of the categories, the category and the amount spent. And then we have a visual graph here so you can see where the expenses are going. If we scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to have a breakdown on the category and the description of the expense with the amount. If we scroll over to the right a little bit more, we'll have the total amount spent and the total balance based on the budget that we've set. And then we have the same thing for each category, the amount that was spent for each one, and a visual graph to show you where the expenses have gone. Next, we can go on to the expense list tracker. In this tab is where you would track all your expenses. You can choose from the drop-down menu, you can choose the month the expense belongs to, then we can choose what category it belongs to as well, and we can write a brief description of the expense here. And then this is where you would input the amount. Let's move on to the next tab, which is expense structure. This is where you will find all the months for the drop-down menus and also the categories. You can add or modify the categories as you'd like, and it will update on the other tabs as well. We've also added this here so you have an idea of what each category would include. Again, you can change and modify this to your liking. And that's it. That's how you would use our Vergo project expense tracker.